Scilla peruviana, also known as Portuguese squill, it is a species of Scilla native to the western Mediterranean region in Iberia, Italy, and northwest Africa. It belongs to the Asparagaceae family. It is a bulb-bearing herbaceous perennial plant. Scilla peruviana is a spring-blooming bulb with striking, lavender-blue flowers. The flower heads can be as large as a sort ball, with star-like florets that open gradually over a period of 3 weeks or more. Each flower is 1 to 2 centimeters in diameter with 6 tepals. The leaves are linear, 20 to 60 centimeters long and 1 to 4 centimeters broad, with 5 to 15 leaves produced each spring. The foliage dies down in summer, reappearing in the autumn. The flowering stem is 15 to 40 centimeters tall, bearing a dense pyramidal raceme of 40 to 100 flowers.